with children in it.
Barricades around the U.S. Supreme Court hold protesters back as passionate crowds gather outside the famed steps. There's outrage among activists who want to uphold the right to abortion in the U.S. after a majority opinion was leaked from the Supreme Court indicating that right will be overturned in the coming months. The court currently has 6 conservative justices and 3 liberal justices, but overturning the landmark Roe v. Wade case that established nationwide abortion rights remains a surprising reversal of 50 years of precedent.
People will still get abortions. If someone wants an abortion, needs an abortion, it will happen, but a lot of people will die. It's not going to be the unborn. It'll be living people taking their life because they'd rather not have a child.
I'm here in because of my faith and not in spite of it. 68% of Catholics in the United States support legal abortion access, and we need to be loud and we need to speak up.
Abortion!
While polls have consistently shown that a majority of Americans favor access to abortion services, it's also a highly contentious subject, and anti-abortion activists expressed their support for the Supreme Court's draft decision. The crowd was not limited to Republicans.
What the Democratic Party is not recognizing is people like me, pro-life Democrats, and we've been having a lot of conversations since last night, since this was leaked. There's a primary in Ohio right now, and some of the pro-life Democrats are thinking of switching and going and voting in the Republican primary.
The Senate's top Republican, Mitch McConnell, is calling for the leaker to be punished, saying last night's stunning breach was an attack on the independence of the Supreme Court. By every indication, this was yet another escalation in the radical left's ongoing campaign to bully and intimidate federal judges and substitute mob rule for the rule of law. The president says he's concerned about the ripple effect of overturning the landmark 1973 abortion rights case.
It goes far beyond, in my view, if it becomes a law and if what is written is what remains. It goes far beyond the concern of whether or not there is the right to choose. It goes to other basic rights, the right to marry, the right to determine a whole range of things.
The leak of the court's draft opinion is exceedingly rare, and Chief Justice John Roberts has now launched an investigation into who may be responsible. But one thing is clear, this issue has galvanized the American public ahead of the November midterm elections, because it's the lawmakers here that have the power to confirm judges to the nation's highest court. Yasmine El-Sabawi, TRT World, Washington.